Boy, this just never did hurt me, mash up me deep inside of my soul. But God can build back with life broke. You hear me, I tell you? Sometimes life not just hurt, it mash us up deep in our soul, the heartbreak and the struggles. And life just left we feel broken and lost. So it just not hurt we. It mash us up down to a core. This a kind of pain will shake your soul, make you question your faith and make you wonder if you'll ever feel whole again. Even when you feel broken, God still a work. The same broken pieces, them, and I build them back together stronger than before. The wounds were cut deep can turn testimony will inspire somebody else. The struggles where it broke you can turn your story will lift up somebody else. So if your heart feel mashed up today, remember this. God not done with you yet. He might restore your strength. He might restore your peace. He might restore your hope. And he might prepare a brand new chapter where only him can write. Second Corinthians 4 verse 8 to 9 say, I'm going to read it, tell you, hold on. Sometimes them all around with trouble, they all around with, but we not give up. Sometimes we confused and we know what to do. But we not lose hope. People fight against we and treat we bad. But God never left we. We get knocked down sometime, but we never get destroyed, my friend. God love you. I love you. Peace.